Today we're going to be taking a look at this PVC pipe cutter. In this video, I'm going to show you what comes in the box. My husband is going to demo it for you, and then we're going to give you our honest opinion. The seller did send this to us in exchange for a video. However, all of the views and opinions in this video are our own. This is the THINKWORK 1 5/8 inch PVC pipe cutter. Originally, my husband was going to demo this, but he is not home right now, so I'm going to go ahead and do it. In the box is the PVC pipe cutter as well as an extra blade, 1 5/8 inch. So when it comes in, it's closed. You just pull back on that lever to get it to open. This is a ratcheting PVC pipe cutter. So you squeeze the levers repeatedly until you get the blade to go all the way through the PVC that you're trying to cut. Be mindful because the last one pops. This was extremely easy to use. It does have a lock to keep it in place when you're not using it. Changing the blade is also very easy. You just push this pin through from one side and then you're going to pull it through the other side until it's completely out. You then just wiggle the other blade out and replace it with the new one. You can see here I've lined back up the hole and I'm going to reinsert that pin all the way through to the other side. You can see here is the piece that I cut off. It does have a nice smooth cut. I could have cut it a little bit more even, but that's okay. I do like how smooth the cut was and how easy these were to use.